How to deactivate Instagram account 2022. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to How to Solution, and today in the video I'm going to tell you how you can delete your Instagram account. So first, launch the Instagram application and make sure that you've been logged into your Instagram account. After that, select the below right corner on the profile icon. Now select the upper right corner. After that, go into the settings. Now select the help section. Now go into the help center right here. Now if you tap in the search bar and if you scroll down, you come across a section where it says delete your account. Tap here. Now tap how do I delete my Instagram account, and if you scroll down, you see there it says go to the delete your account. Tap here. Now tap here temporarily disable. Now give them the reason why you are disabling your account. Now type your password here and disable. After that, select the section where it says temporarily disable account. So that's how you disable your account. So that is it in this video. I hope you enjoy the video. So guys, I'll catch you up later in the next video. Till then, have a good one.